Good afternoon. My name is Mr. Gomez, and today I'm going to show you how to get started on a PowerPoint project. Um, so the first thing we're going to do is we need to open up Microsoft PowerPoint. So I'm going to do that from the Start menu. So I'm going to hide that. I'm going to click Start. If you see the shortcut right here on the Start menu, you can go ahead and click on that if you see it. But if you don't, you can always click All Programs, Microsoft Office 2013, and PowerPoint 2013, and that will open the program. So the next thing you're going to have to do is go ahead and start a blank presentation right here. Now we're going to do two things here because we need to, I believe we already made a folder. And so if you remember from the other day, I believe we started this up, but if not, then I'm just going to review. So there's two things I have to do here. I have to make a folder, and I am going to have to make the file. So I'm going to Control S. Once again, I Control S on the keyboard. And then I'm going to go to my documents. And then I am going to open my class folder. That's my Q4 2017 folder. I'm going to double click on that. Now let's pretend that I don't have this, right? Most of you should have two folders right here. It's okay if you don't, but regardless, we have to start a new folder. So I'm going to click New Folder, and I'm going to call this one Presentation. And press Enter. And now I'm going to double click on this folder. And now I'm going to give this file a name. I'm going to click down here where it says File Name. And I'm going to call this My Story. After that, I'm going to click Save. And it's going to put us into PowerPoint. PowerPoint is presentation software. And we're just going to get started here. We're just going to do some basics. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a title. I'm going to click right here. PowerPoint works on text boxes. So I'm going to I'm going to type my story. And then I'm going to type my name. That's just for example. You can type your name. So notice there's two separate text boxes for this. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a new slide. And I'm going to click right here where it says New Slide. And I'm going to then click Title and Content. And that's going to give me this slide right here. And in this text box, I'm going to type Introduction. And then I'm going to click in the second one, and I'm going to type my introduction. Okay, that's pretty simple. At this point, I really want to pick a theme. A theme is a style that will make your presentation look more appealing and attractive. And so I'm going to go up to the tab that says Design. I'm going to click on that. And PowerPoint has a lot of different styles here. I'm going to click on, so I can click this arrow to go through. But if I want to see all of them, I can also go to this third button right here where it says More. I'm going to click that, and that will show everything. So I'm going to pick a style here, just the basic one. I'm going to click this one right here. And as you can see, every theme has a variant, and pretty much it's the same style, but the colors are a little different. So I'm going to go with this one right here. Notice that the appearance on both slides have changed. And now I'm going to make a third one, but this time it's going to be a little different. I'm going to duplicate this second slide right here. So using the right mouse button, I'm going to right click, and I'm going to duplicate slide. And so notice I now have a copy, an exact copy. Now, duplicating slides is very useful because it means that you don't have to do everything from the beginning. You can just make changes where you need to make changes. So right here, I'm going to change this sentence. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to insert an image using the software. I'm going to click Insert, Online Pictures, and now the Bing image search comes up, and I'm going to look for a picture of Corona, California. So when you do the image search, look for a picture of your birthplace. Now I'm going to do a search. I'm going to press enter. And I'm just going to look for a picture that I like. This one is okay. So I'm going to click this one right here. And notice there's a check mark here. And now I'm going to insert. This is too big, so I'm going to use the controls here on the edges to make this smaller. So I'm going to shrink this down, and now it fits. And if I want, I can move it with the mouse. I can also move it with the arrow keys. Okay, so when I do a slideshow, I can click slideshow from beginning, and this is what the finished product looks like. And to move through it, I can press the space bar on the keyboard, or I can left click on the mouse. And to end it, I just have to click it one more time. Remember to save, Control S, make sure you save your progress. All right, so that is how we make a simple presentation in PowerPoint, and we will continue this on Monday. So if you have any questions, you can either write them down or just wait until Monday and you can ask me. Okay, thank you very much and have a good day.